Hello everyone, I'm just about to show you 5 ways that I use these soda crystals around my home. Keep watching. First thing is burnt on baking trays. I don't have a very good example to show you, so I'm just going to show you here. I try and sprinkle it on, and then I use warm water to make a little bit of a paste. So you don't want to use too much water because you'll actually be diluting the strength of the soda crystals. So that should do. I'll sort of rub that in with one of the sort of cheaper scourer cloths that I have, and then I'll leave that to work, and that will lift. So this isn't a great example, but I would work that into a paste on the tricky spot, and then, as I say, leave that to work, and then you'd be able just to wipe it all away. Okay, so that was number 1, burnt on trays. Number 2 is, along a similar vein, is these hob tops and these. And I use that in a similar way for those. So that's 2. Number 3 is pre-treating stains, or stains in general. So this is a paste with a tiny bit of warm water and some soda crystals, and you sort of rub this onto the problem area and you pre-treat the stain before going in the wash. You can also use the soda crystals to add a boost to the laundry detergent in order to boost the stain removing power. So that's number 3, stains. That brings us to number 4, which is actually cleaning your washing machine. This is really good for this. It helps to prevent the sort of build-up of limescale and helps to remove any sort of clogging. That's my scientific explanation. So you just pour that straight in the drum and then pop it onto a hot wash, and there you are. You're cleaning your cleaner. Finally, we have the classic drains and plugs. So, contrary to popular belief, this works a lot better without vinegar. Vinegar actually reacts to it and essentially turns it into salt water, I believe, but don't quote me on that. But I know it reacts to it and it makes it less effective, basically. So, you can use your soda crystals once a week down the drain, followed by boiling water. And what that does is that reacts with any fats down there and makes them more soluble, and helps to sort of wash them away. So that's a way to kind of prevent blocked drains. If you do have a block, then what they advise is to pour boiling water down first, because that removes a lot, then a mug full of soda crystals, and then boiling water. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. Let me know how you get on.